I'm back. No one missed me, I know, so just let's get right into the facts and news. So I'm gonna be making a second channel, and it's already got its channel layout, banner, logo, everything set up. I only have one video or two videos I think on it. So what is the second channel about? So that second channel is about music, since I don't want my hobby to be mixed up with this channel. I just want two channels to be separate from each other. This channel's niche is all about YouTube tips, tricks, hacks, tutorials, and all that stuff that helps you to grow on YouTube, that helps you to get more views and subscribers on YouTube. But my second channel is going to be about music. I'll be making music videos, I'll be making trap music, I'll be making rap, I'll be making beat production, all that type of music stuff, because it's just my hobby and I don't want these two different topics to be in one channel, so I just separated them. There will be a lot of changes as the channel progresses, so keep that in your head, because anytime you'll see a change in my second channel. So I have new videos coming out in this channel, and I think those are banger videos. They are still in editing process though, so you're gonna have to wait. It will come out sooner or later. I'll be more active now in YouTube, so if you have a comment, I'll reply within the first 4 hours. So lastly, I thought of collaboration on both this channel and my second music channel. If you want to collaborate with me, then just ask me in the comments. Just anywhere, just ask me and I will collaborate with you depending on your channel statistics. So yeah, if you just want to collab with me, I'll do it. And if you don't, that's fine. Want more content from me? Then please support me by subscribing and liking the video and commenting nice comments, so that I stay more motivated and make more videos for you guys. Subscribe if you want me to help you in your YouTube journey. Warning! Don't leave this video yet. I still have some news left. My brother has a gaming channel, so make sure to subscribe to him. The channel link will be in the description. Just go ahead and support him, let him grow on YouTube. So, please subscribe to all the channels I have mentioned in this video. All links in description. So new videos coming out. Remember, this channel is all about YouTube tips, tricks, hacks, tutorials, and make sure to subscribe. Please subscribe to all the channels. Peace out.